Hello everybody, I am Meltem teacher and today we are going to be studying about present simple tense for third graders. We will talk about when to use present simple and how to use it. First, we will start when do we use it. Okay, we use present simple to talk about permanent situations. We use permanent to describe situation or states which keep happening or which don't change quickly. Let's have a look at the examples. First one, he works at a bank. As you see, this is permanent situation. Second one is we live in New York. This is a permanent state. Other one is we use present simple to describe repeated or regular actions. In other words, daily routines, okay, in the present time period. When we talk about daily routines, we always use the structure of present simple. Look at the examples, please. He plays football every Monday. So this is something that he does every Monday. This is a repeated action. Other one is, I wake up at 6 o'clock. This is a daily routine. Okay, this is something that we do daily. Next one, we use present simple to talk about general truths. General truths are the facts that are always true or events that always happen. First one, water boils at 100 Celsius. This is a scientific fact. Other one is the sun rises in the east. Again, this is a general truth. We can change these facts. We use present simple to talk about schedules and timetables. So, what is a schedule? Schedule is a list of planned activities or things that we do, which showing the times or dates. And first picture, our class starts at 9 o'clock. As you can see in the picture, okay, this sentence refers to a time. Second one is the plane arrives at 11 o'clock. Again, the sentence refers to a time. We use present simple with the adverbs of frequency to express how often something happens. What are adverbs of frequency? An adverb of frequency describes how often an action happens. When we say the phrase of how often, we generally refer to the phrase of how many times. We use adverbs of frequency to describe how many times an action happens. Now, we will have a look at 6 main adverbs of frequency, okay? And adverbs of frequency usually come before the main verb. And first one, it's always. It means at all times. That means we do that thing all the time. I always watch a movie on Saturday night. As you can see in the sentence, we use always just before the main verb, okay? Other one is usually. Usually means generally. We usually drink coffee in the morning. Next one is often. It means many times. They often go to England in summer. So that means they go to England in summer many times. Rarely. That means not often. Okay, so it rarely rains in the desert. Sometimes means not always or not often. I sometimes drink tea. Never, last one is never, not at any time. He never reads a book. Never means we don't do that action, not any time. Now we will continue with the spelling of the third person singular form of the simple present. So, what is a third person singular? Third person singular refers to the subject pronouns of he, she, and it. Okay. So we use verbs in a different way when we use he, she, it subject pronouns. All the verbs taken as. So let's have a look at the examples, please. He plays football on Sunday. As you see, we add as to the verb. With I, you, we, and they subjects, we use just the verb itself. So we say I play, you play, they play. But with he subject pronoun, we use plays. We say he plays. Second one is she works at a bank. We don't say she work, okay? This is a rule about the third person singular. And last one is the library opens at 7. Since library refers to its subject pronoun, we use opens, all right? But of course, now we have some spelling rules about this. The spelling for the verb in the third person can be different depending on the ending of that verb. So what we need to do is to look at the ending of the verb. So our first rule is for verbs that end in O, CH, SH, S, X, or Z, we add ES in the third person. Let's have a look at the examples. First one, go. As you can see, look at the ending of the verb. It ends with O, so we say goes. Second one is catch. Look at the ending of the verb. It's CH, so we say catches. Third one is wash. Again, look at the ending of the verb. Wash, it ends with S and H, so we say washes. Next one is kiss. It ends with an S, so we say kisses. Other one is fix. As you can see, it ends with an X, so we say fixes. Last one is buzz. We say buzzes. We have to be careful about these rules. Our second rule is for verbs that end in a consonant plus Y, we always remove the Y and add IES. Let's have a look at them. Let's have a look at the ending of the verb. Marry. As you can see, there is a consonant before Y, so we say marries. Next one is study. There is a consonant before Y, so we say studies. Carry. We say carries. And last one is worry. We say worries. But we have a note here. For verbs that end in a vowel plus Y, we just add S. For example, play. There is a vowel before Y, so we don't have to do anything else. We say plays. Enjoy. There is a vowel before Y, so we say enjoys. Say, and we say says. Okay, please be careful about these rules. Now, we will continue with negative sentences. To make a negative sentence, we use don't or doesn't in present simple tense. We use don't with I, you, we, they subject pronouns, and we use doesn't with he, she, it subject pronouns. For example, I don't drink milk. As you can see, we use don't with I subject pronoun. Second one is she doesn't go to school at the weekends. We use doesn't with she subject pronouns, okay? And we will continue with questions in the simple present, okay? To make a question, we normally use do or does, all right? We use do with I, you, we, they subject pronouns, and we use does with he, she, it subject pronouns. Look at the example. Does he have breakfast at 7? We always use do and does at the beginning of the sentences. Does he have breakfast at 7? Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. By the way, these are our short answers, and also you can answer in a long form too. Second one is, do you watch TV in the evening? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. These are short answers. By the way, when we use does, we don't add s to the verb, okay? We have to be careful about it. We don't say, does he has breakfast? We say, does he have breakfast at 7? Okay. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day.